Hello, it's Amit once again from learnwitharobot.com, and today we have a brand new robot from Pollen Robotics acquired by Hugging Face, and what we're going to do today is unbox this robot. So you can see it just arrived in the packaging, and the first thing that I noted in this packaging is that it says it's made in China and it's shipped from Shenzhen. So Shenzhen, China, the industrial capital of China, same place as where Petoi has its headquarters, our other robots manufacturer. And so I thought it would come from France because Pollen Robotics is based in France, but apparently what happened is that Pollen Robotics got a huge bulk of orders from people all around the world, more than 3,000 apparently. And so they couldn't manufacture that many themselves, so they subcontracted it to a manufacturer who was based in China. So now let's open this packaging and I'll show you on the way. So you can see that as I open this, let's try to be very gentle with it because it's a new robot and I don't want to do anything crazy with it. So here, look, pretty fancy packaging. The Reachy minis, here it says Reachy mini, and Reachy minis all around, all over. So now we'll try to open this packaging. Getting started. Pretty nice tutorial booklet of how to build this robot. So this is a kit, you have to build it on your own, and that's going to be part of the process of learning how to build a robot, and some cool stickers from Hugging Face. The booklet is pretty nice, colorful, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to watch the videos. It's going to be pretty hard making this whole robot out of just this tutorial. Let's open it a bit further. And this is interesting. You can see that it's packaged just like the robot is expected to look like. So the head goes over here, and the body goes over here, and this is the toe. So we have to build these three parts, and I'm assuming tie them all together in some way, and that's when we'll be able to build in the Reachy mini robot. One more thing, this is the Reachy mini, not the light version, but I think it doesn't matter for the purposes of building the robot. The main difference is that the light version is needed to be tied to a computer. It can be cordless, whereas this has its own Raspberry Pi, and that's why it can be more autonomous. But the robot doesn't move on the ground, that is, or on the table. It's pretty stationary. So in that respect, both editions are kind of the same. So now let's look at each of the boxes. I am first taking out the head, and I'll not take all the parts out, but just give you a sneak peek of how it looks like. So you can see this is the head, and with all the parts inside the head. So let's carefully pack this. So this is your head, and then let's look at the middle of the robot, and let's see what's going to be over here, and try to be very careful opening this out so that I don't damage anything. And here is the body of the robot, right? So the head, and then this is the body. Need to make sure that everything fits in properly. So that's the body. Be more careful while getting this back into the box so that I don't break anything. And so it's back in the box. And now let's take out the last box, and this is the tip of the robot, and we'll again carefully open this part. Let's see what we got. And so that's the toe, and this is the only part which has some foam cushion, so I assume there's some sensors over here which makes it delicate. So that's your toe, then the body, and then the head. That makes your robot. You can see the size of this, almost like as big as from my tummy to my head. And we'll build this robot. Maybe I'll have a couple of videos along the way, and then we will play with it. So join me in this journey. Subscribe to my newsletter, www.learnwitharobot.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll sure have lots of videos, a lot of material. And if you bought one yourself, good luck assembling it. Thank you.